Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Coach Lauderdale, and in today's video, I will guide you through the Kids Can Core Challenge as we perform a series of exercises to strengthen your core muscles. In the first round, you will stay for 30 seconds. In the second round, you will move for 30 seconds. And the third round is the push round, where you're going to try to increase the amount of times that you perform the exercises from the second round. So what you'll need, you'll start off with a bottle of water, because we will take a minute break after we do the 4 exercises. On a piece of paper, you'll have 2 columns. On the first column, you will say second round, and then below that, you'll write 1, 2, 3, 4 for the 4 different exercises. And then to the right of it, you will put third round and put 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that you can't see this sheet of paper, but I have the information right up here. And before we begin the exercises, the core of your body is at the center of your body, just like the center of the earth is the core, and the middle of our body are our hips. So if you put your hands on your hips, the muscles that connect to your hips, which are a joint, are going to be your abdominal muscles, which are the muscles in front, your obliques, which are on the sides. You have your glutes, which you sit down on, or your booty muscles. And then you have the muscles in your lower back, or the erector spinae. And all of these muscles work together to increase your stability and your balance. So if you're ready, we're going to begin in 3, 2, and 1. So the first pose that we're going to do is a plank. And we're going to do each of these poses for 30 seconds. So you're going to drop down onto your elbows and stack your shoulders on top. And then you're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, and come up. You're going to hold it for 30 seconds. So right now you are targeting your abdominal muscles. And those are the muscles located in front of your stomach. The 6-pack is what people usually call the abdominal muscles. So you're just going to hold the pose. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And now you're going to roll onto your elbow, or roll into your. You're going to do a side plank, and you're going to come up in 3, 2, 1, and up. You're going to hold it for 30 seconds. So now you are targeting your obliques, and that's the muscles on the side of your stomach. So your abdominal muscles are here, and then your obliques are also abdominal muscles, but they're specifically called obliques. And then relax, come down. You're going to spin, or you can just roll over to your other side, to your other elbow. Stack your shoulder on top, stack your feet on top. You're going to come up in 3, 2, and up for 30 seconds. So although that you are being still, you are fighting against gravity to keep your body in this position. So you are resisting your body from going down to the ground. And relax. And then now we're going to do Supermans. So you want to lay onto your stomach. Your hands out. And then on the count of 3, you're going to have your hands and your feet come up. So come up to 3, 2, and 1, and up. And you're going to fly. So now you are strengthening your glutes, or the muscles around your booty. And then also the muscles in your lower back. So you should feel some tightness around the upper part of your legs and the lower part of your back. And then relax in 2, 1, and down. down. Alright, so good job. So now what we're going to do, we're going to stretch, or you may go with some water for 1 minute. So a couple of stretches you can do. You can do a cobra stretch, so your knees are on the ground. And you just push up to stretch your oblique. To stretch your abdominal muscles. Or you can come down to child's pose by pushing your hips as close to your heels as you can. You're going to put your forehead onto the ground. Relax. So on this round, you're going to move and you're going to record each time that you complete the exercises. So the first exercise are the planks. So you're going to come up and then step in and step out. So come up in 3, 2, and 1. You're going to step to the left and right. So you're going to do toe taps to the left and right, and then count each time. 6. And then keep track as best as you can. And then for me, I will have the scores pop up on my screen in front of my head. So then you can see how many times that I was able to complete it. And relax. Alright, now you're going to move to the side. So go ahead and write down your score. So you had 22, go ahead and write down 22 for the second round. First exercise. And then come back. Now I'm going to a side plank. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and up. Now you're going to do a side plank with a pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So try not to have your hips to touch the ground. And if you ever get tired, you can always rest and then come back up. You want to see how many you can do within 30 seconds, 4 seconds. And relax. Go ahead and record your score, because in 10 seconds, we're going to go ahead and get started. Then come up in 3, 2, and 1, up, and pulse. So again, try not to have your hips touch the ground. So this is similar to doing the side crunch. So work your obliques. Good job, just a little bit longer. And relax. Alright, now we're going to move into the Superman. So you're going to go ahead and record your score. And then you can meet me into a Superman. We're going to begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So pop your hands up and down. So you're going to pulse up and down. Let's see how many times you can pulse within the 30 seconds. You need to rest, take a break, take a deep breath in, take a deep breath out, and then go back into it. And relax. Alright, good job. So now we're going to stretch on this side. So the first stretch we're going to do, since we're already down, is the cobra stretch, or the cobra pose. So you can stretch your obliques, and then you can transition into a child's pose. And if you need to, you can always get some water, because we have about 'Alright, we're going to get started in 15 seconds. Actually, we don't. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so this time, I'm this round you are going to beat your time from the previous round. So we're going to come up into a plank. 3, 2, and 1. Come up. 1. And toe taps. So your score from the second round. So your score from the second round was 20. You want to try and at least get 21 or 22. Just keep track of that score. And relax. And then you're going to roll onto your side. Well, record your score and then leave me on your side. And then we're going to come up in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And pop up and pulse. So a good strategy is to try and get at least halfway to your score from the prior round before you rest. And then when you rest, you just take a deep breath, and out, and then come back. So try not to rest between sets as much. And relax. Good job. Go ahead and record your score. And then I will go ahead and move into the next exercise, which is going to be the side plank on your opposite side. We're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, and up, and pulse. So if your score, if you had 20 in the first round, try and get past 10 before you come back down, and then keep going and try and increase the score. Hopefully I am close to beating my score, and relax. All right, so now you have the Superman, and after the Superman, you have completed the core challenge. So we're gonna make sure you record your score, and then we're gonna begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and begin. And pulse up and down. So see how many times you can pulse up and down, so you can beat your score. And it's always good to challenge yourself, so then you can get stronger, and then you can set goals and relax. Whew. All right. So if you need to get some water, you can get some water. But great job completing the core challenge. So it's always good to set goals, so then you can know where you want to go. So then if you're trying to have a stronger core, have stronger abdominals, obliques, or lower back muscles, the only way that you'll be able to know that is by keeping track of your progress and then being able to set attainable goals. So by completing the core challenge, it'll be best that you do the core challenge 2 to 3 days per week and try and skip a day, so then your body is able to recover and be ready for the next time that you do the challenge. Every time that you complete the challenge, keep track of your challenge on the same sheet of paper, so then you can see what you did on week. The first time you did it, the second time you did it, the third time, and then you can continue on from week to week. So then that way, if you started only being able to do 10 reps for each of the exercises on the second round and the third round, and then the following time that you were able to do it, you were able to go up to 12, and then the next week you're able to do 15, you'll be able to see the progress that you're making. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to end the video with air 5 in the dab, and then followed by an air 10 in the row. So air 5 in 3, 2, 1, and dab. Hit them with the whoa. All right, good job. And then hold on. Because I keep on hearing boop.